If I were to spell TWA, what would that sound like?
Twa.
Twa, right? Okay,
Twa.
that's really good. Here, you take that piece of paper, but don't let her see it. Just take that away.
Got
Okay.
it.
What about TWE?
Twee.
Twee, right? Twee. TWE sounds like
Twee.
twee. Okay, you can take that away. Don't help her, guys. Don't help her. What about TWI?
Twi.
Twi. That's good. Twi. Don't help her. Don't help her.
Oh, sorry.
Twi. Okay?
Twi.
Okay? Take that one away. Hide it. Okay? What about TWO?
Twoo.
Two?
Twoo.
No, sound it out. What is TWO?
Whoa. Mary.
Mary, don't help her. Coop, what's the problem?
There's no problem.
Okay. All right, hang on.
Try
hang on.
Try from that one more time.
No. Just what? TWO?
Twoo.
Okay. Listen, listen, okay? You're gonna get it. Just sound it out. TWO.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Listen, all right, guys. She's almost there. No. She's almost there. She's almost there. Okay.
Okay, sounding out.
Okay. Give her a second. All right, we're gonna settle down. You're gonna get this. Okay.
Okay.
All you have to do, you just have to sound it out. Okay. Use your education. Okay. Just. Okay. Oh, we're getting it. Okay. Shush over there. Okay. Look.
Oh. Whoa.
What is it?
Whoa.
Okay.
Three, twa, two, twa, twelve.
Listen. You're really close.
Okay.
But it's not.
Okay, two, a-e-o-u. Twoo.
I mean, kinda.
Twoo.
Come on. No. Okay. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna give you 5 more seconds. Okay.
Okay.
TWO.
Whoa.
I didn't say it.
No!